StylesBot. Create style guides in under 2 minutes with AI. Unlimited projects. Choose your flow, 100% AI, Copilot, or custom mode. Start from a short brief or your logo. Review and adjust your color palette. Preview your brand on a demo site. Fine-tune every section. Real-time updates, colors, UI tokens, fonts, and more. Automatic WCAG accessibility checks. Get production-ready code. Want it in Figma? Use the StylesBot Sync plugin. It creates a collection with all your variables, colors and shades, typography styles, button components, and a preview frame you can resync. Share and export for your team or clients. StylesBot. From logo to live code.